Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna make cookies, Betty Crocker's cookie mix. Actually, I'm gonna try it for the first time. I don't know how it's gonna be. Also, fun part, I'm going to bake in a pan. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time I post new videos. For now, let's begin. It's a beautiful cloudy weather outside, so I decided to bake. Using Betty Crocker's cookie mix, it's quick and easy to make, less time consuming. To prepare a cookie dough batter, whatever it is, I'm taking 1 egg, 90 grams of butter, softened butter, putting whole packet of cookie mix into a bowl, it makes 24 cookies. In a little bowl, cracking 1 egg, then adding in bowl, cutting softened butter into cubes, then adding in cookie mix, then mixing everything together. To make it more smooth, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 teaspoons of water. Then I used my hands to mix everything perfectly. So the batter looks like this. I ran out of parchment paper, so I'm just greasing the pan. Around 1 tablespoon of batter I'm adding for each cookie. For one batch I'll bake 6, so I made in 4 batches. Your flame should be in between medium high. This is how I'm baking in a pan. It took 12 minutes to bake each batch. It was perfectly baked just as you bake in the oven. Let it cool down for a few seconds. It's brown and crispy from the outside, soft and chewy in the middle. Perfect. Enjoy with a hot cup of coffee or tea with your loved ones. Do share your feedback in the comments to keep me going.